every market has different regimes. So one of those regimes is a bull market. I'm not saying we're in a bull market by any means, but today I'm going to build out a breakout bot. We have tested a few back tests here to see the actual results of a breakout bot. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to implement those into an actual trading bot. So if you're new here, you might not know the step-by-step process I take. My name is Moondev. I code every single day here live because I believe codes are a great equalizer. And if I show it, then you'll know what I'm doing. This is how you automate your trading, or this is how I automate my trading. A lot of people just want to jump right to bots and start building bots, but I personally don't think that's the right way to do it. I think the best way to do it is the research strategy. Spend your time here in the research and the back testing phase. It's free to do this part. So that's why it's amazing, and it's where all the alpha is generated. You have to see if it's actually profitable in the past, if your strategy actually works in the past. If it works in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future, but it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. Okay, we've already done this, so we've already researched and backtested in the last couple days here, and you can see here this is a backtest. Let's see what it does. See how it returns. You can see the peak equity here. Let's go ahead and see what the actual return is here. You can see the return is 21,000%. The buy and hold is 1,200%. We were looking into this though. We were looking at some optimizations. These results are a little high in my opinion. 21,000% is a little high. But what I'm gonna do here is we've already looked at this for multiple different symbols. As you can see here, this is using INJ. The other one was using WIF. I think WIF is a little misleading because it's kind of a survivorship bias. I mean, it's one that's done well without a trading bot. So I'm going to optimize this strategy, or I've already optimized it a bit, and we've done all the back testing. Remember, the process is this. Don't run to a bot right away. Make sure to back test it and make sure it works in the past. If it works in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future. So we're going to build this bot out here today using one of these strategies. And I think I'm just going to go with this strategy because this is the one that we've kind of tested multiple times on multiple symbols. And we've seen that it's pretty robust and it's a pretty simple strategy. I'm going to go ahead and get this. I'm going to save this. Let's see. We'll just save it here. And then we'll go ahead here and we'll make a bot up here. So I'll say 530 here. 530 breakout bot.py. Okay, let's go ahead and look through a couple of these files here because we have so many cool bots here, and I'm looking for a scanner. So let's read through some of these. Maybe we have one that says scanner here. Skew longer, bento, VWAP, market maker, order book, multiple pi, backtest multiple pi. Oh, this is what we were looking at actually. These are the optimizations here. So you can see 297. So it looks like we want to use a 3% take profit and a 18% stop loss. That's what it says here. At least 16 and 7. We might use 16 and 7. I'm gonna use 16 and 7 here. So this optimization shows to use a 7% TP and what was that stop loss here? I'm looking around the yellow. Yellow means more profitable. It 15, 16, 17 look good, so 16 maybe. Remember, things don't match up perfectly on the when you run it live, so always be careful there. I'll explain all these data sources on my screen here in a second. These are the orders coming in on Binance. Nice funks. We have nice funks here. Data loop, 130 market maker. Let's look through some of these because I want to find one of my old functions here that essentially allows us to find the symbol that we want to trade automatically. By the way, I have this new thing, topmemegame.com, and it shows all the top volume memes. And I'm gonna do a $100 giveaway today. So a $100 giveaway to anybody that goes through and shares their top 4 memes. I'm gonna pick one person here at the end of the stream. So I'll keep mentioning that we're giving $100 USDC to one person who shares their top 4, and I'll show you how to do that. So I need to pick my top 4. Okay, of course the shark. Put the B there. Cheeks. And what else? Ah, I missed it. All right, I think it's Samoyed. Okay, so this is how you share it in order to enter the giveaway. And I'll be tagged here, so I'll know you shared it. And you just share it like that, and then you're entered the giveaway for $100 USDC, and I'll send it at the end of the day, at the end of the stream. So just share your thing, your top 4. Go to topmemegame.com, share your top 4, and then you'll go ahead and enter yourself to win $100 USDC by the end of this stream. I'm gonna keep looking through this code here. 130 market maker. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Order book, combined data frame, order book, multi breakout bot, data from Hyperliquid, market maker. I thought we built something similar to this before. Matter of fact, I know we did. I just have it on my server. I just don't want to go grab it. Don't want to log in. I'd rather just pull it from here. So I'm gonna look at my my GitHub as well. GitHub Hyperliquid Hyper. Ooh, look at this. This is really good notes, actually. Dang, I should write really good notes here like this all the time. Back tested whiff and found the 15-minute crosses dank. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and build out the scanner first. Let's build a scanner here. Let's build that, and then let's look at our nice funks first. Let's do that because I might already have something like that. I know I have it. I just my I'm not the best with organization, to be honest, but that's okay. It's okay. We'll get better. So I'm just gonna look through this nice funks file here. Ask bid. Okay, limit order, adjust size and leverage, adjust leverage, get open, high, low, close, volume, process data DF, calculate VWAP, supply and demand zones, get position and max positions, cancel orders, volume spike, kill switch, P&L close, fetch candle, snapshot, calculate SMA, get latest SMA, close all positions, calculate ATR, calculate range, should we quote orders, calculate Bollingers, calculate linear regression, Bollinger, OB data. So, okay, let's just build a scanner. Scanner for top Tokies, top volume today. Okay, let's go ahead and open up here. And remember, I got the $100 giveaway going on. All you gotta do is pick your top 4 here on Top Meme Game. Share it on Twitter by clicking share like this. It will tag me so I know that you shared it. And at the end of this stream, I will give away $100 USDC. It's actually going to be at a random point in this stream. Probably going to be in a little bit of time whenever I'm done. So I'm not sure when this is going to be done, but it is what it is. So we're here, we're present, and we are going to keep going. So I want to go ahead here, and first off, let's go ahead and get all symbols. So how do we get all symbols? It's not too hard. Account. So we want to get into our account, of course. We need to import all this stuff. So we have the trading strategy that we're doing. This is a strategy that we're doing. Okay. Actually, let's see here. Optimization is a strategy that we are going to do. We should put it on our README. Let's do that. Let's be super organized again. Say 5:30 here. We pivoted on over to the Solana sniper stuff. That's why there's a little bit of a break here. A lot of the stuff I kept running, a lot of the stuff we changed on, but I've got my bots dialed in really at this point. So I'm just building new stuff in order to create new future alpha. 1, building a scanner for Hyperliquid because we have a profitable backtest that we want to implement. Okay. But what is that profitable backtest? It's definitely the INJ one, right? The question is, where did I just write that? Because this one is profitable. You can see the exposure time is nice. It's 31. It's not a lot of trades, but it's good. Did I just write that? It's got to be in here. Here it is. So this is the optimization we're going to use. So I'm going to say 2.6. No, that's not the one, bro. This is not the one. This is from 2.6. Save that. Say BT optimization, single BT test, Let's get rid of all of these other noises here. BT that. Nice funks. We're working on that. Okay. So this is the one we're going to optimize for. You know, whiff did well here. All right. I just don't want to over optimize. The first one I showed you was like 12,000% return, but it was on whiff. So it's just like, it's a little biased. I'd rather have something that's not that high. So, and I want to build the scanner out again, essentially, because we need to. So with 4-hour, I'm just going to quickly look through all of these files here because I feel like I've built this before. So let me just do a quick look. So adjust leverage, cancel orders, bid. I mean, if it's in here, it's going to be, there's going to be a function at the top because you can see I'm working from my nice funks file for the most part. So if it's not in the top part here, then I think we just lost it. I can look at my server as well because I know it's running there. I should just do that, honestly. I think I'm gonna do that. Opposed to like trying to write it again. I can definitely make a scanner again for sure, but okay, I'm gonna jump into my server real quick then. Just do that because save a ton of time probably. Just logging in here, so sorry, I got ghost for a second, but you know how it goes. Okay, I'm in there now. So let's not forget to come back to not dark mode. I'm back now. Hey, how are you? I hope you're doing well. 777. Much love to you. We just had a hackathon the last couple days. I built this top 4 meme thing. So if you share your top 4 memes here, then you get entered to win a $100 USDC. You just got to pick your 4 memes before the time runs out and then click share here. And then it will tag me as well, so I'll know that you entered. And give away $100 USDC here today. To one lucky winner. Not everybody. So now I'm just looking through my server here. And oh, there it is. Yes. My God. Server with open, read, trading symbol. There it is, my guy. Ha ha ha, mofo. That's it, my guy. This is why we code. Because we can be lazy AF. Let's go ahead and try it. So this is our 5:30 breakout bot. 5:30. Let's just call this trending scanner. And let's work on this because I want to update it. There's some things I wanted to update here. Okay, sick. We're in there. You can see that we're calling Hyperliquid here. And we're catching the snapshot data here. And then we're calculating the 4-hour change. And we're calculating the SMA, analyze tradable tokens here. Then the main here. So you have all the code here. I need to change these. Trending, HL trending. Okay, this is sick, B. I need to change some of the file paths first. So let's make a data folder here because this is getting ugly. Oh, here we go. Copy path. Copy relative path, please. So you're seeing all the code here just because I'm a thug and I share everything here. So hope you love it. Data, trending. Nice copy paste right there, huh? Data. Okay, so tradable to 2CSV data.txt. Okay, boom, boom. Does that all look good here? Now we're gonna see if this works, but then I want to update it because I want to find more stuff. I want to find trending based off of other things as well. Ooh, I like this little cat here actually. So you get $100 if you share your top 4, or you get a chance to win $100 USDC if you share your top 4 here. Anytime during this stream today. It's got to be during the stream. It's got to be during the stream because we just built this in a hackathon this week. And this is all of the top trending tokens on Solana. So I think it's super helpful to have. I like Kermit as well, actually. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to update my trending here every little while because I built this for myself. Because you remember I was looking at this information before, the top volume through text, but like that's not the play, B. That's not the play. So go ahead and share your top 4 and get entered to win. Okay, total volume has to be over 2 million. Let's go ahead here and what's it gonna print out? Okay, it should print out some stuff. Running algo here. Perfect. So here's all of the symbols they have. Dang, I'm so happy I spent a little bit of time to look for this. So you can see the 4-hour change for BTC is 9.97%, Atom 2.15, Matic 1.73, DYDX 2.25, Solana 1.66, AVAX 3.67, 1.18. So it's calculating the change. So it's trying to find the ones that do well, essentially, or have done well in the last 4 hours. Okay, so here's a good time for me to explain what's going on here. Down in the bottom is my sniper. This is my sniper rifle. I'm gonna restart it just in case. Because head, final sniper. We gotta go in there. This is my sniper here. It's obviously broken right now, so I need to fix it. Line 1 and final sniper.main.py. Head. The heck is that? We'll get in there and fix that right now. That's my sniper usually. These are the liquidations coming through, so I track all liquidations. These are the major liquidations. These are the big orders, and these are the major orders. So you can see like a $3.4 million order there. And yeah, this is my meme tracker for the Solana memes. I just track it through there now because I want to see what's popping every single day. And if you share one of your top 4, then you get entered to win. So let's go here and say final. Solana sniper. I had a major error with my we were working on the things yesterday. We were working on the sniper. Or no, we weren't working on the sniper, but then I CD'd into the sniper for some reason because I had to get the data. And then I F something up bad. It was really sad. Oh, okay. So this, you see head. Okay. I don't know what I did, but it is what it is. Line 160. Come on, blood. What is this? How you finna put that stuff in there? I don't know. What is all of this actually? Ask bid. What is this stuff? What is this, dude? This is not even part of my sniper. Wow. We made some big errors here. Dang, I'm glad I caught that, huh? 822. What is going on with this dude? See, my sniper. I told you my sniper got effed up yesterday. Of something. I don't know what. See this stuff? What is this? Like, what the heck? So weird. So weird. I did some sort of like, I don't know. I did some weird thing though. Like, I can't even explain it. See, I can't even explain what I did. Unfortunately, you can see this is still looking through the 4-hour change of things. So it's looking for the highest trender. While that is working, I want to go ahead and update this function here to be able to change the analyze tokens to see the trending. Okay, where is it? Tradable, analyze tokens, fetch snapshot, 4-hour change, using 4-hour change. Calculate 4-hour change. I want to say update this code. And where are we going to say that? You know where we're going to go. We're going to go to our girl. Luxie, are you awake today? Please update the above so that we can pass in any hour change, like 1 hour, 2, 3, and even 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Let's see if we can do that, because that would be pretty clutch, honestly. You can see this outputted it for all of them. So what it did is it went and looked at to see what is the most trending token right now. What are the trending most trending tokens? Okay. And then what did it do? I think it saved it somewhere. Tradable. So it writes to the trading symbol .txt. To CSV data. Print tradable. Honestly, it doesn't look like it saved it, but so it should have pasted it here actually. Yep, it put it right here. So that's the symbol it picked. These are all of the symbols. You can see it picked that one because it had the biggest 4-hour change. Is that the right way to do it? Not necessarily, but it is what it is. And it can be changed. So you saw the code. So this would say symbol, look back period. Look back period would be 2 hours. Data. Okay, it's just because I call it in here maybe. Import open high low close volume bot. Go to definition. So this scans the bot. Keep an eye on that scanner, see if it works. Okay, so back to this. And you can see it picked that tradable token. So I'm going to put in this new one here. And this new one is going to allow us to swap in different hours of times to pick. So the reason that's important for me, at least, is because maybe I want to find the thing that's trending in the last hour. Okay, put that in there. And then I'm also going to put this in here. And then I'm going to really test it by putting 0.5, analyze trade. calculate change. So what do we need to put in calculate change now? We need to put all the interval minutes. Make it so we don't have to put in interval minutes because we can just hard code to 15 minutes. My palm's itching. Okay, that means that it's good. So let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, scan some. That's funny. If you share your top 4 here, you get entered to win a $100 USDC giveaway. And all you have to do is pick your top 4 memes here. So you got this much time. And I'll give away $100 USDC at some point in this stream here. It's hard to do, honestly. It's hard to pick your top 4. Especially in the time. So this is on topmemegame.com. I'm gonna wait till I have a top 4. These are the top volume tokens that all day, so on Solana. So it's super helpful for me. I'd be watching it all day long. I used to watch it on not Dropbox, but Discord. And I used to also watch it here on the words, but the words don't really matter too much. So look back, okay, perfect. Snapshots, perfect. This is what we want. I didn't want the 15 minutes in there because it just adds complexity, and I don't want complexity. I want simple. I like simple B. I'm a simple dude. So let's go ahead and paste that in there. And then def, analyze, trade. Tradable tokens here. Okay. Calculate 4-hour change. What do we need to bring in there now? Calculate change, calculate change. Calculate change. Fetch. Let's say update this code here as well so it works with it. Update the below code to work with the new code. And this is great because while we have AI now, I can pick these memes because this is where the alpha is for me, at least. Being able to pick the right meme to trade on, that's a big thing. I like LFGO. That's a good one. You get a chance to win 100 USDC, by the way, if you share this. Share your top 4. It's got to be your top 4. So take your time and pick your top 4 here before the timer runs out, and then you get a chance to win 100 USDC today. So I can't find my 4th one. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's Michi or whatever that is. So all you got to do is share this your top 4 like this, post it. And then I'll get tagged. I'll be able to see it. So like homeboy shared his, I'll be able to see it. Crypto Chad, I see that. I'll be able to see it, and I like it. And I'll just repost it. And then I'm gonna pick one of you guys at the end of the stream. At the end of the stream, B. All right, let's go ahead here and see how we're going to implement this. Look back, hours, copy, okay. Def main. Let's change this here. Come on, B. Why would you do that? It's all good. Don't worry about it. I still love you. I still love you. Just needs to be an int. So calculate change here. Let's change the calculate change. Def calculate change. Let's go ahead here and change that. Change. Change the change. Change the change. Let's go ahead and run it back. Run it back, B. Run it back. Okay, 30-minute change. Perfect. So now we can see number of snapshots is 2. That's because it's 30 minutes. So now we can see the 30-minute change. In hours. An hour. 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1, 2, 3, etc. Just not lower than 15. That's pretty much it. By the way, I teach exactly how to automate your trading here in the bootcamp. Bootcamp shows everything. Step by step how to automate your trading, and that is accessible here. It teaches you literally everything you need to know to automate your trading. So what I do here on these lives is I'm actually working, just sharing what I'm working on. So it's a little advanced sometimes, but if you want to get caught up to speed with me and even learn how to code, I didn't know how to code before this either, so you're right on time. I teach you how to code. I teach you how to build exactly step by step your own trading system with your own trading strategy, and essentially back test to see if the strategy actually works and then turn it into a bot. So I walk you through that whole process here in the bootcamp. There's a 100% money back guarantee. And we keep the community really tight. So only good people are in the community, and we actually get rid of anybody that's whack. I had to get rid of somebody today. So I had to get rid of a whack one today. Somebody that was not willing to put the work in, and you got to put work in here. So we don't let lazy people into the boot camp. So it's not, I don't need your money. I don't want your money. And the only reason there's a payment to get in here is to protect my energy and my community's energy. You can see here, this is running into a problem here still. We got to fix this ASAP. So my sniper is pretty high priority as it runs all day and it's been doing well. So token P5, none type is not iterable. Unsuccessful. I wonder what's going on here. Let's go check it out. I really effed it up yesterday. It's so sad. So sad I messed this up. Okay, let's go back to the main and make this so it shows us exactly where the problem is. Okay. Trying to think about where have I put this code that I've put in Quant Elite so I can check that out actually. And you can launch them pretty easily, I believe. Points. Let's go ahead and find not all tokens. Not volume is 9.2 million. So this is fine. Yeah, and it's up 30%. So it's telling me to trade this one if I'm going to trade something. So that's awesome. So what I'll do, this, I don't think I'm going to do the 30 minutes. I just wanted to test it. I think I would do like, let's try 1 hour now. Well, let's try 2 hours. Yes. No, let's just do 1 hour. 1 hour. Since this is on the 1 hour here, the meme game. Let's do 1 hour there. Let's go ahead and see how it works with 1 hour. I just want to make sure this is robust because we've already done the back testing. We already have the strategy. We pretty much have the bot. The bot's super easy to build. We already have like so many bots built for Hyperliquid. Now I just want to make sure that we're trading the right token. And then oh, that's what I should do next. 5:30 breakout bot. Now that we have something like this, I want to check it, check all symbols. Yeah, that's a better way to do this. So I actually want to check all symbols here for a breakout on our strategy. Duh. So 531 breakout bot.py. So what I'm going to say is use something like our scanner. Trendy token is new, copy path. Scanner. Here, let's put this on the README actually. But put in our new strategy. And that strategy is here. Remember, this strategy has been optimized and it seems to do well on most tokens that I've seen so far. So it's not going to be perfect, but I just want to get it live. Trending tokens new. Our new strategy that has been back tested on multiple symbols to see if profitable. Okay. By the way, share your top 4 here. This is topmemegame.com, and I'm about to get ghosts, so you have like 5 more minutes in order to do this, to share your top 4. So, got a little bit more time. Just share your top 4, pick your top 4, share it, and you get a chance to win $100 USDC. So, and then we want to go ahead and implement the strategy. And run it. That's easy, dude. So that's the easy part. Let's just go knock some of it out right now. Let's knock a little bit out. I'm not going to knock all of it out. But yesterday was my day off. Today is now actually my day off. So I'm about to get ghost. I'm not going to be here for 8 hours like I was the last 2 days. I get a little obsessive sometimes, but that's me, and that's why I'm good at anything I do. Whatever I do, I'm good at because I obsess over it. And so yesterday the last 2 days, we built this top meme game over on the left side. And this is amazing for me to be able to see what's trending every single hour. So this essentially puts the top volume tokens on Solana for the last hour in front of my face all day long. And then I can just keep changing my top 4. Like, what are my top 4 right now? Well, obviously Shark Cat. See how it's doing. It's the cutest. It's down bad. It's down bad, but it's the cutest. Let's see what Chamath and his lady's doing. Okay, straight up. See, I wouldn't have found that without this game. See what's going on with Geo 747. Down bad. But it's a cool way to keep track of this stuff, in my opinion. So, I'll take this one off here. If you share your top 4, then you get entered to win $100 USDC. Let's go ahead here and let's see what ChatGPT can do, because boy, yesterday was wild. Yeah, actually the last 2 days, I feel like I did a low key. No, I did a hackathon. Your boy did a freaking hackathon here live on YouTube. So 7 and 16. 7 is to take profit, 16 is to stop loss. 7, 16. I've got this strategy here, and we've back tested it already. It does pretty good. Above is a back tested trading strategy that I would like to build into my scanner to see which one of the tokens meets the requirements of the strategy. So essentially, it will be scanning for the breakout on the, let's see, hourly of the daily resistance. And then it will make a DF of all the tokens that just did that. Here is the scanner code that currently looks at the top volume of the top percent change. We won't use that as a metric, but we can probably use some of the code below to build the above. So let's see how she can do. I mean, I'm pretty to be honest, today I'm a little brain dead. I'm gonna take a little break here and have today just to be thinking about new avenues we could take this. This one's super clear. We have a winning back test. It just takes a little bit of effort for me to put it all in. But yeah, I just need a day to think on things. We've been building at 100 miles per hour here. So if you do want to get into this $100 giveaway, all you got to do is select your top 4 on top meme game here and then share it on Twitter. And I'm going to keep sharing mine. So I'll keep looking through this all day long till I find a top 4. I actually like this cat, so I'm gonna share it. Boom. So if you share it, It's gonna tag me. You get a chance to win $100 USDC. Okay, and that's gonna be done here any minute. So if you're interested in that giveaway, like do it like now because I'm about to get ghost. I'm about to get ghost. I'm gonna jump in the chat here soon as well and say what's up to everybody. Okay, let's go ahead and give it that code. So here, let's go ahead here and paste it in and see what she's got to say here. And I'm gonna go ahead and check into Twitch, see how y'all are doing. See if there's any good questions or comments or concerns or love. I checked the Twitch before I checked the YouTube because YouTube is wild. Bro, why you use Python? Isn't Python slow? Z2 says. No. It's slow, but like slow to what, you know? Slow to what is the question? It's slower than like others, but it does great for me. I'm not trading high frequency. If you're trying to trade high frequency, then yeah, might be a little slow for you, but let's see here. Yo, love to you, Chad. What up, bro? Chad asked, how long have I been working on this type of project for related to crypto? I've been focused on this industry. I've been focused on crypto for a decade, but algo trading and coding for 3.5 years. He says, I'm going to win for sure. Chad. You don't have to spam it. You don't have to spam it. So Chad's asking about the giveaway I'm doing. If you share your top 4 here on Top Meme Game, you just share it on Twitter. It's going to tag me, and I'm going to do that in a few minutes here. So just go to topmemegame.com, pick your top 4 memes. It's super easy. Just select them or deselect them by doing that. And then, share it. And in a few minutes, I'm going to do this $100 giveaway. So let's go ahead and get those in while you can. Let's go ahead here and answer any more questions. Z2 asked the same question again. There's like 3 people in here, dog, so no need to do that. Chad answered your question, which is good. Python is really easy, understandable as a language, and really easy for those projects. It's definitely slower than C++ and Sharp, Z2, for sure. If you really need speed, jump on over there. That's fine. I'm gonna keep using Python. Chad says, of course, he said that he learned it from bootcamp. C++ and Rust have memory allocation and stuff. Really not easy, understandable for beginners when Python is really good, not high frequency bots. Yep, exactly. How many languages do I know? I know all of them. No, I don't actually know all of them, but I know Python. Python is the one I'm like confident in. But yesterday we were using HTML, we were using JavaScript. Yesterday we were using CSS. I learned Rust. I've learned Solidity. But all that, like, that's just intimidating, honestly. I've learned a little bit of C++. I've learned JavaScript, but it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Once you learn Python, all of the others are like, not that hard to come up with or to understand. It's really about learning how to code. And once you learn how to code, it's just like, if you need to switch languages, like if I needed to start coding all in JavaScript tomorrow, I could. I wouldn't be as good at it, but like, you see what I'm saying? Like it's just the way to think as a coder, and like what loops are and functions and all these things. And then like once you get to C++ and Rust, you have to like think about memory and stuff like that. I prefer Python. I learned Rust. I spent a lot of time with Rust. Solidity, I've done a lot over there as well, but I keep coming back to Python. Obviously, Solidity is for smart contracts, and Rust is a little more versatile than Solidity. But all right, yeah. If you guys have any questions, ask me out here on Twitch. I got a few more minutes to kick it and answer any questions. Dang, so Chad is a dev at a web app company, and he only does C# and Angular. He misses Python so much. I miss it too. I would miss it too. I did it like yesterday and the day before. We built this top meme game, and I was using a little bit of Python, but not much. Mostly HTML and JavaScript and CSS. And I was just like, oh, I can't wait to get back to Python. I can't wait to get back. Let's see if this code works, by the way. I'm not going to go too deep onto this right now, but my brain hurts. I did a hackathon. I did 16 hours in the last 2 days of coding, maybe even 17 hours of coding in the last 2 days. So that was crazy, dude. It was really a crazy stretch. But we built the top meme game, and now we got the $100 giveaway. So here, I build it and I give it right back. You can have it. It's all free here. It's all free to use, and it's not really a game. I mean, kind of a game, but it's more of like a great way to track this stuff, in my opinion. Oh, I like this dog though. Get this out of here. Share. So if you share yours, you get a chance to win the $100. I'm gonna keep sharing mine because mine keep changing. Mine keep changing, so I'm gonna keep sharing. Let's see here. Yeah, Z2 exactly. He says, got it. It's like problem solving. Matter language doesn't matter. Yeah, exactly. The language doesn't matter. It's problem solving. It's just. And then you got to learn like the terminology, like functions and variables and all that BS. That's just like there to trick you and scare you off. Chad says Python is just so smooth writing the code. Don't know how to explain it. Me neither, dude. Me neither. I will keep on checking in here on the chat. We got a few more minutes on the giveaway, so if you want to get those in, you can. See running algo, see if this works. Okay. Path to resistance.csv error, no file. Okay, that's fine. I can figure that out. Line 74. Okay, 74 here. Okay, data. Symbols, daily resistance. Let's see if there's another one here. There probably is. Data breakout tokens. Okay. Okay, there we go. So the giveaway is going to be in the next like 5 to 10 minutes, I'd say. So if you want to get in, go pick your top 4 on top meme game and then share your top 4. That's it. It's super simple. It tags me so I can know you entered the giveaway. That's it. But it has to be during this live. So if you're watching this later, sorry, B. You could still use the app, but that's about it. That's about it, dog. That's about it, dog. I'm changing the link on the Discord thing. Oh my goodness, that's not it. Copy. All right, it's updated. I mean, might have to refresh it. The link. The link is at the bottom of the page for the free Discord here. So go refresh it. Maybe try incognito. The link has been updated, so should be a new link now, just in case it wasn't working. But Z2 here from Twitch says it's not working on his end. I'm wondering if it works anywhere else. It's up in here. If you click this link here, you'll be able to see it. You can see here that I think it's going ahead and calculating the resistance. I need more. Print resistance levels for the symbol. I just need more feedback here. So here, boom. Okay, that's the resistance for BTC. This is the resistance for ETH. Nice. This is perfect. This is perfect. I've shown you everything today. I showed you the back test as well. So here's the back test again, just in case you didn't see it. I've shown you everything. I continuously show you everything, dude. So please do tap that like button and do what you need to do, dude. Do what you need to do to keep coming back, B. So this is printing out the resistance for all of them now, which is nice to see. There's all the code for the back test. We're going to implement this. This is all the code for the scanner here. And you can take your screenshots or whatever you want to do, dude. Whatever you want to do, dude, it's your world. I'm just here coding away, showing you absolutely everything on the path to a few B. A few B. Why do you think I use B so often, B? Why you think I use B so often, B? Because my mind is focused, B. Why you think I say B every other word? I don't know. Maybe I'm chasing a B. I don't know. Here we got about 5 minutes before we do this giveaway, and the giveaway is on topmemecoin.com. And all you got to do is share your top 4. So go pick your top 4 before the timer ends. Topmemegame.com and pick your top 4 before the time ends. And now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give you a timer of like 5 minutes. I'm going to put a 5-minute timer on. A 5-minute timer on, and then we're going to go ahead and do that giveaway. So if you have any final questions, throw them in the chat. Throw them in the chat. I'm about to get ghosts after this giveaway. I'm going to get your USDC address here for whoever wins. All right, so we're doing this giveaway here in a few minutes now. So I'm just gonna wait for any last entries to come in before I get ghosts here. But yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, it worked after I changed it. Okay, perfect.